Saira. Students, I'm making this video specially to clarify all your doubts regarding time management for environmental studies examination. Just before, I have uploaded a video of quick revision on environmental studies in which I have covered all the topics. In that comment section, many of the students have commented, ma'am, only 1.5 hours. How to manage the time? How to write 2 long question answers, 2 short question answers, ma'am, I'm feared, I'm scared, ma'am, how to write? Many comments I have seen just now, so thought to make this video to clarify your doubts regarding time management, passing marks, how many sides you have to write, how you have to present the answer. Okay, so listen to me carefully. This video is gonna be short, but it is gonna be very important for you all. Watch the video till end and also share the video now only with your friends too, so that it will be helpful for them also, because only few hours are left for your examination. So let us start. Ma, here in the environmental studies, you will be having 1.5 hours. Yes, 1.5 hours. Sorry, 1 hour 30 minutes. Sorry. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes. Yes or no? In this 1 hour you give it to long question answers. 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour you give 2 long question answers. How? You need to attempt any 2 long question answers. No? Example 5. A will be there, B will be there. If you are going with A, you keep 5 A, then start writing and give time 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes to 1 question answer. Is that clear? 30 minutes, half an hour, ma. Half an hour you can give for 1 answer. Okay, 30 minutes, half an hour. If you are going with A, B, 6th question answer is B, then you give again 30 minutes to 6th. Half an hour here, half an hour here. How many? 1 hour is completed. Yes or no? You can smoothly manage the time. Half an hour you give to 5th question, half an hour you give to 6th question. Smoothly the time will be managed, and keep in focus, keep in mind that in half an hour only you have to complete the whole answer. Don't give any extra time to this question. If you give extra time to this question more than 30 minutes, then your time will be imbalanced. You can't manage the time. So keep in target, keep in mind that in 30 minutes you have to complete 1 answer. That's all. Only 30 minutes. Don't give much time for 1 answer. If you give much time to this answer, you can't write 6th. This will be left off. So give half an hour to this, half an hour to this. 1 hour will be completed. Now it is your short. Give 30 minutes to this. Now you will ask, how ma'am, 30 minutes? In part A, how many questions you need to attempt? You need to attempt 2 questions. If you are attempting 1, you give 15 minutes. 15 minutes is more than enough. For short question answers, you write 1 side. If you are having any extra points, if you want to prolong the answer, extend the answer, you can extend the answer for 2 pages or 1.5 page. But 1 page is necessary for short question answer. 3 pages is necessary, important for long question answers. Okay. So 1 question you give 15 minutes. And second question you give 15 minutes. Here 30 minutes have been completed. Yes or no? 1 hour to this, half an hour to this. 1.5 hour been have completed. Yes or no? You can manage the time like this for EVS examination. You have to manage the time like this only for your EVS examination, ma. Okay? And for short, 1 side pakka. For long, 3 sides pakka. If you write more, then very nice. Very nice. Okay? And how to present the answer, I have already said. You draw the margin, write openly, khulla likho. దూరం దూరం రాయండి, ఎందుకంటే ఆన్సర్ బుక్లెట్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. మీకు ఓన్లీ 2 క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా లాంగ్లో. సో యూ కెన్ రైట్ వెరీ నైస్లీ, ప్రెజెంట్ ద ఆన్సర్ అండ్ రైట్ ఇన్ పారాగ్రాఫ్స్. Write in paragraphs where you want to mention the examples, where you want to write something, you can mention the points. But the answer should be in paragraph, and also mention subheadings. Keep the subheading and explain about it. Keep the subheading, explain about it. Okay, like that you can manage. And many of the students have asked what are the passing marks. So already in the passing marks video, I have said you how much is the passing marks. But I think you people have not seen that video. So now let me say, for EVS you are having 40 marks. Yes or no? For 40 marks, 15 enough mark. 15 or 16. Okay? 15 enough. For 15 you will get passed. Easily if you will attempt 1 question from long question answers, 1 question from short, easily you can pass. One question also, if you attempt here, if spelling mistakes went also, if you can attempt one question from the short, easily you can pass. Don't worry at all, give your best, write in your own words and prolong the answer. Okay, and write subheadings, you write explanation, you write, that will be really very interesting and attractive, and try to write the subheadings in capital letters so that it will be clearly visible. And already in all the videos I say you used black pen, so that digital corrections will be there, no, that will be clearly visible. Okay, see you all in the next video. All the best once again. Okay, bye bye.